guys, it's Top Tutorials here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can recover your lost information from your SD card. It's 100% working, so if your SD card's been formatted, you've accidentally deleted files, I'm here to help you. But make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single upload. Let's get to the video.
Hello guys. Okay guys, so we are here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the link in the description, and you first link, and you want to download that file and extract it to the desktop. It should be this file, should come up. You should have this file. It will have the crack data recovery. So what you want to do is you want to download it by clicking this here. So you want to go into it, then you want to click on Wondershare Data Recovery, then click on Data Recovery. So, after you click on Data Recovery, it should ask you, just press yes. And then after that, you should be greeted with what we know as a wizard. Okay, so you select your language, click OK. I want to share data recovery. Or are you sure you want to install it again? Yeah, sure. So I'll install it again. So after that, you'll be taken to the data recovery. You just go through, accept the license terms, press next, yes, don't, and press next again, and install it. Okay guys, so I've downloaded data recovery and opened it up. If it does ask you for a password when downloading this, you want to put in the password TechSpinner. So after you put that password in, it will download for you, and then you will have this interface. So I give full credits to the YouTube channel TechSpinner, who did invent this method, but I am combining two methods together to make it one helpful method. So all credit from this video goes to TechSpinner. Anyway, so when you are done, you want to click on whatever you want to recover, and then, oh no, before you do that, you want to click on the little key up here, and you want to register. So what you want to do is you want to enter this email and this serial number. The links will be in the description. So after you've done that, you click close and register, and you should be fully registered. After that, click on photo or whichever thing you've lost and click next. And then you search through whatever SD card, USB, your computer, anything. But I lost my SD card I'm using to record this video, so I cannot show you at the moment. But it will show up here, and you just got to press Start Scan. After that, you'll see all your files. You pick a file where you want to recover them to, and then you are completed.
Okay guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it helped you out. Make sure to leave your tutorial ideas, and if you need any help, tell me in the comments. So that's all for now guys, and I'll see you later.